Step into the future with Lenovo's latest innovation, the transparent display laptop unveiled at MWC 2024. In this video, we explore the groundbreaking concept that is sure to revolutionize the way we interact with technology.
Imagine a world where your laptop screen is transparent. Well, stop imagining, because Lenovo has made this a reality. This week at the Mobile World Congress 2024 in Barcelona, Lenovo unveiled an extraordinary prototype, the ThinkBook transparent display laptop concept. This game-changer boasts a 17.3-inch micro-LED transparent display, a feat yet to be seen in the industry. But that's not all Lenovo had up their sleeves. The tech giant also introduced a fresh lineup of ThinkPad and ThinkBook business laptops, alongside the ThinkVision M14T Gen 2 portable mobile monitor. The latest generation of ThinkPads are powered by the cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra processors with Intel vPro on select models. But before you get too excited, it's important to note that this transparent display laptop is currently a proof of concept. It's not expected to hit the market quite yet. Now, let's delve into the unique features of this futuristic device. The Lenovo ThinkBook transparent display laptop is not just another laptop, it's a revolution in the tech industry. This innovative device boasts a borderless 17.3-inch micro-LED display with a staggering 1,000 nits of brightness. And that's not all. The laptop's transparent keyboard area is an eyebrow-raising feature that truly sets it apart. But the innovation doesn't end with the aesthetics. Lenovo has leveraged artificial intelligence to enhance the device's functionality. The laptop uses AI-generated content technology, allowing you to interact with real-world objects in a new way. A camera, subtly embedded in the chassis, employs AI for image recognition, projecting the recognized images digitally on the laptop screen. And let's talk versatility. With a supported pen, you can seamlessly switch between typing on the keyboard and sketching on the drawing board. Lenovo's ThinkBook transparent display laptop concept not only redefines the laptop design, but also sets a benchmark for the future of laptops.
Enjoying our content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now for more exciting content, and click the video appearing on the screen to continue watching. Otherwise, see you next time. I'm Sarah from TechStunner. Have a nice day.